Hello, welcome to Simon's Trading Channel. Unfortunately, it's a faceless video today. I'm still waiting for the part to fix my computer, so I'm using my reserve one. I don't know what happened in yesterday's video. Apologies for that, but hopefully you'll at least be able to hear me and enjoy the price action analysis. So let's get straight on with it. Here you are. You can see the 4-hour time frame. And as I alluded to yesterday with these two support resistance levels, it looks like Bitcoin is holding up. So when I say holding up, I mean this is a 4-hour chart, and this 4-hour uptrend looks like it's holding up. Now, there are various things that it can do and still remain in an uptrend, but the best case scenario is currently where it's finding support at. So that first blue line at sort of 66.5-ish. The next best would be here at the 65.5, and very simply they just represent the Fibonacci retracement pullbacks. If you go from the top, from where the move started, to where the move so far has finished, you get these very best level 236, then the 382, then the 0.5 to 618, 786, etc. So a normal pullback really tends to go to the 382, which would be at 65 and change. That's still a possibility, but right now it looks like Bitcoin's getting support at that first most shallow Fibonacci retracement line. So, having said that, what next? Well, you can see momentum, my predefined momentum in the form of a MACD, is slightly below the zero line, but it's so close, it's pretty much on top of it. But it needs to close, Bitcoin needs to close a 4-hour back above 68,250, which is also to turn this again green and get back above the zero line. So keep momentum to the upside. And you can see that's very close to the midpoint on the Bollinger Band. Why is that significant? Well, for price to be in a trending move to the upside, it has to be above the midpoint of the Bollinger Band. Just like over here with this bullish 4-hour closure, price got back above the midpoint on the Bollinger Band, and then when volatility expansion came, the move was to the upside. So when trending moves are in the house, whichever side the price is of the midpoint of the Bollinger Band, which is just a 20 SMA, that's the direction the price is heading in. So Bitcoin's first objective for more upside price action is to achieve 4-hour and daily closures back above 68,000. That will switch momentum on the 4-hour back to the upside and confirm this line as support. If you look to the daily, or if I look to the daily, you can see that momentum is still thoroughly to the upside on the daily. However, it did turn red as of yesterday's closure. And no coincidence, 68,000 is the price pivot to turn this green again and continue, have the MACD continue marching onto the upside. You can see the midpoint of the Bollinger Band is quite far away. It's coming in at 64.5. That's quite close to the 382 pullback support resistance line, which is at 65. And I wouldn't be surprised if in 4 hours' time, when this daily candle closes, those two are on top of each other. So I think there's still potential for more of a pullback to come, particularly on the daily time frame. And the position I would like, if that happens, the position I would like, or the price I would like to see Bitcoin get support, is around 65, something like that, maybe 65.5, somewhere between 65 and 66, I would say, for the next impulsive move to the upside. That would also keep this nice daily uptrend intact and all looking tickety-boo. Quick check on the weekly, although it's only Tuesday, so it's not hugely significant. But you can see volatility hasn't expanded yet on the weekly time frame after a prolonged period of low volatility, very narrow Bollinger Bands. And so while price on a weekly time frame remains in the top half of these Bollinger Bands, if and when volatility expands, that makes it way more likely that the volatile move will be to the upside. And so all Bitcoin has to do to remain in the top half of this Bollinger Band is close this week above 62.2. So That's the very minimum that Bitcoin needs to do this week. However, I think it would be a lot more reassuring if by the end of the week it can defend somewhere between, I would suggest, 64.5 and 66, something like that. Just call it 64 to 66 to make things simple. All right, there we go. Nice quick video. Sorry you didn't get to see my face. It will return soon. I hope you've enjoyed the video nonetheless. Please like and subscribe, share with your friends, and join me tomorrow for Wednesday and we'll check out CME's midweek price action. Take care. Goodbye.